Hello and welcome to my channel once again. In this video we will be covering this course which is physical sciences with computer science. Let me take my laser pointer as well, and let me just clarify that we will be covering the course structure from semester 1 to semester 6 only on this one, because although using some hidden links you can already access the semester 7 and 8 syllabi for this course and for any other course for that matter. It is not yet official, as in it has not yet been published on DU's official website, and hence it has not been covered in this video. We will be covering only from semester 1 to semester 6. So let's proceed. Again, physical sciences is a combination of physics and mathematics, so these two departments are involved, with computer science, so the department of computer science, right? In one of the other videos we will also cover physical sciences with electronics, so there you have again physics, mathematics, electronics, you have a combination like that. Then we also have physical sciences with chemistry. We will cover them in the upcoming videos. And yes, this can be a very good course. You'll see the syllabus. If you like to mix the different streams like that and get into research, for example interdisciplinary research, this is going to be a very good course. By the way, can I change the color of my laser? I can't. All right, now I have listed the colleges which offer this program, but I forgot to change this writing because I was reusing my presentation. Okay, this is not valid, you can get that. This is for physical science with computer science. You can pause and read the names of the colleges which are offering this course. Okay, this is page 1, and here we have page 2. These colleges are offering B.Sc program, physical sciences with computer science. Fine. Now we will be talking about the D.Sc courses and D.Sc courses only, because your GE courses, SEC, VAC, AEC, they do not depend on the department which is offering your course as a whole. It depends on your college, what kind of faculty are there and what they want to offer you. So they are kind of irrelevant here. We will cover what is relevant from the departmental point of view. In the semester 1 you have 3 DSc courses. Once again, DSc courses means they are compulsory courses, you must fulfill them. Alright, so from mathematics you have topics in calculus, from physics you have mechanics, from computer science you have programming fundamentals using C++. Now I'll say one thing, I think they might have some changes in the computer science part, because this notice just came up this year itself, so you can somewhat go and check that, or you can also skip that, because using this slide itself you will still have an idea about how your course is going to be, right? For example, I believe they might be changing this to Python or something, or they may not be. Alright, I'm back once again. So in semester 2 from mathematics you have elementary linear algebra, from physics you have electricity and magnetism. In computer science you have data structures using C++. So I just paused the recording and went back, and I just verified that many of the things in this presentation are actually up to date, but wherever they are not I'll just mention it to you. So don't worry. In semester 3 now you have the DSE courses coming in. Now I will just tell you in brief. Now you have your DSE courses and you also have your generic elective courses which are called GE, right? Now As you can see, the DSE courses are floated from your departments only, the departments which are controlling your course. However, the GEs will be offered from departments which do not control or offer your course. Fine. In semester 3 and 4, and listen carefully, if it's required, rewind and listen again. In semester 3 and 4, you have to choose one course among GEs and DSEs. That means you either choose one of the GEs offered to you or you choose one of the DSEs offered to you. That's for semester 3 and 4. In semester 5 and 6, you must choose one GE and one DSE. Okay? And in semester 7 and 8, which are not covered in this slide, you have one DSC courses each, which are compulsory. Apart from that, you have to choose three more papers, wherein you can choose three DSEs or two DSEs and one GE, or one DSE and two GEs. That's for semester 7 and 8. If you have any confusion, just rewind and listen to what I said again. Coming back to semester 3, you have differential equations from mathematics, heat and thermodynamics from physics, computer systems architecture from computer science. Now, this course will be actually renamed into computer organization and architecture, and they will modify the syllabus a bit as well, with more focus towards computer organization. That thing will happen. Now, if we talk about the DSEs from mathematics, you have combinatorics, elements of number theory, theory of equations and symmetries. From physics, you get biophysics and mathematical physics 1. From computer science, you get Python programming for data handling, Android programming in Java. And I'll just tell you one thing. Actually, you can have many more DSEs from the Department of Computer Science in each of the semesters. If you see the latest notice, it's on DU's website, you will find them. Okay? From semester 4, for the compulsory courses, from mathematics, you have abstract algebra. From physics, you have waves and optics. From computer science, you have operating systems. Now, coming to our discipline specific electives, from mathematics, you have elements of discrete mathematics, introduction to graph theory, linear programming. From physics, you have introduction to numerical methods. You can say this is under mathematics, but okay, physics department is offering that. Analog electronics and physics of earth. From the computer science department, you have data mining 1, combinatorial optimization, network security, introduction to web programming. In semester 5, under the compulsory courses from mathematics, you have elements of real analysis. In physics, you have elements of modern physics. From computer science, you have database management systems. Now, in mathematics, you have biomathematics, mathematical Python, mechanics. Now, you can say that we have already studied mechanics under physics as a compulsory course. So, there will be a higher chance that this course is not offered to you. Okay. From physics, you have foundations of astrophysics, digital electronics, radiation and its applications. From computer science, you have data mining 2, data privacy, Unix network programming. And as I mentioned, these are not from the computer science department specifically. There are actually more options, which you can see in the latest notice. In semester 6, under DSCs, you have from mathematics, probability and statistics. From physics, you have solid state physics. From computer science, you have computer networks. Coming to DSEs, from mathematics, you have elementary mathematical analysis, introduction to mathematical modeling. from operational research. Wait, I forgot to change this name again. Ah, I was just reusing our old slide and I forgot to change this. No, this is wrong. This will be physics. Okay. So from physics, you have mathematical physics 2, communication systems, laser physics and its applications. Okay. And from computer science, these four and much more. These four are social network analytics, computer graphics, cloud computing, and ethical hacking. Now, just to talk about the research methodology course. This will be available in semester 6 as well as semester 7. Okay. If you plan to write a dissertation in your semester 7 and 8, then you will be encouraged to, or kind of forced to, take this paper only because it is necessary for training you with research. Now, if it was an honors course, the colleges would compulsorily give it to you, this one, as a DSE in the semester 6 itself, either as an additional paper totaling your credits to 26 from 22, or they will say that no, you choose a DSE and you choose this one only. So that's the stuff they will do. But this is a multidisciplinary course, so research methodology will be available from all these three departments. In your fourth year, if you want to do research in mathematics, then the paper variant which you will be choosing will be by the math department. Okay. If you want to do research in physics, then you will do the variant of this paper which is by the physics department. If you are doing research in computer science, then by the computer science department. That's how it will go. And with that, we also come to the end of our video. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can always write it down in the comment section below. So thanks for watching once again, and best wishes for this admission season.